Hi friends, we are doing test tube rainbow experiment. Equipment: 3 cups, measuring cylinder, test tube, scoop, stirring stick. Materials from kit: blue color, red color, yellow color, crystal powder. Materials from home: water, milk. We have did blue and red experiment. We have already did blue and red from the previous experiment. Start. Fill the cups with 15 ml water each. Here you take. Now we need to fill this bigger. Now what is this size? Add 2 drops of yellow color in it. Add slowly. 3 drops you will add. Stir it with the stirring stick. Stir it with the stirring stick real well. We will add half scoop of crystal powder. 15 ml of water in the cup. Now add a scoop of milk into the cup. Take 15 ml of water in the cylinder. Put 1 drop of blue color, 2 drops of red color into the cylinder. Mix it well. To add half scoop of crystal into the mixture and stir it well. This looks like it's becoming a purple jewelry. We have added all those to the test tube and now wait for them to become solid. You can see colorful crystal forming. Look, this one is turned orange. Look here, friends. This one has turned orange. This one is turned orange. See, now the red and blue is turning now. Red and blue are mixing together. And now you can see the orange is up. Wow. Wow. Ooh, don't do that. Show here. Bye. Now put this one. This was our experiment for forming rainbow crystals. Bye. Take care. Bye. See you in the next experiment. Bye.